you can trust. Stylists that can make you look fine.
Hey beauty cuties, you're absolutely gonna love this video. I ordered some wigs, and once they came in, they were both 30 inches. I ordered them both as human hair wigs. Looks great on the inside, but when I started feeling around, I'm like, nah, I don't think these are 100% human hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to determine what's human and what's synthetic. Now, this is an older wig. I know that it's human. This I ordered as a human hair wig, but when it came in, it was really shiny. I'm like, no, this has to be synthetic. So this is how I test. I take very small pieces from the back of each wig. This is the human one. This is the one I'm going to use as my base line or my example because I know this is human. Human gives off a certain smell, and synthetic fibers give off a certain smell as well. Synthetic fibers smell more like burnt plastic, and human hair smells more like, if you ever got your nails filed at the nail salon, it has a certain smell. It almost smells like burnt protein. And so that's how you can distinguish. Also, the way that it hits the flame, you'll be able to tell. And the way that it burns. Whenever you're dealing with human hair, it burns a lot slower. And whenever you're dealing with synthetic, it burns a lot faster and it shrivels up. Human hair has a tendency of crumbling, and synthetic fibers have a tendency of shriveling. So that is more like a crumble, and it creates an ash if it's human. So that salt and pepper is definitely human. You see how I can roll it in my hands and it's ashy. It burns almost, it turns into an ash or a powder. Okay. Now, this is the human that comes from the wig that I know is doing the same exact thing that I know is human. It's burning and it smells like burnt hair. It smells like burnt hair. But this one is the synthetic. And do you see that it is not? It's shriveling up and it's turning into little balls or little beads at the bottom. And it drips. If you are burning synthetic, it has a tendency of dripping because it's plastic. And then I do this. This is my own personal. I stretch it. If it stretches out like that, 100% synthetic. So I just purchased 2 wigs. So when you do a match test, it is going to tell you immediately if that wig is synthetic or human. Again, you see it stretched out, so you know that's human. That has a burnt smell, that's human. Both of my base example wig was human, and the salt and pepper is human. So I made a great purchase there. But the blonde and the brown wig, that's my human wig as my example. No. Both of these are synthetic. I hope this helped you.
Beauty is the name you can trust.